This old guy DIY video has to do with the reason that you check old fuel line when you buy a used outboard. This is another old guy DIY video regarding getting to know this 2003 Mercury 4-stroke 115 horse motor. It's on a pontoon that a hot chick I know recently got. Yesterday I was running this motor on the muffs just in preparation for putting it on the lake, and I noticed that the bulb was crushed down like it was under vacuum, and there was no fuel filter on it at that time. I pulled the upstream line off that came from the tank to the bulb, and I opened the gas tank cap. Then I put compressed air to it and I gave it a shot of air, and there was no bubbling in the tank, so that told me that that line was plugged. This is the line that ran from the tank to the bulb. It says 5/16, 3/8 of 16, so this stuff made it 10 years. 10 years later, that's what the inside looks like. And the motor had some of this gray fuel line that has that plastic liner. And if you look in there, you can see that the liner has begun to deteriorate. So although the prior owner said he only ran this thing with wreck fuel, I don't know if it was ethanol that got that or if it was just old age, but I replaced this line, installed a new fuel filter. Today I came out to finish the job. From the bulb to the engine, we have a fuel line that specifically says not for fuel injection systems. EFI, electronic fuel injection. So my next step is to change out this line.